In a world where compassion often fades into the background, one woman reminds us that love knows no species. For nearly 40 years, Michele Rinaldi has devoted her life to healing the lost, the broken, and the forgotten through the ministry of animals. From shelters and sanctuaries to the quiet corners of hospice care, she's discovered what it truly means to serve, to love, and to let go. Through every rescue, every farewell, and every wag of a tail, Nightingale Watch reveals the divine thread that connects all living souls, human and animal alike. Heartfelt, sacred, and deeply human, this is more than a book about animals. It's a testimony of love, faith, and redemption. Nightingale Watch, a journey of animal ministry by Michele Rinaldi, because every soul deserves a gentle hand.